Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I hope you all are in a great mood right now, cause in today's video we are gonna talk in detail about newly released promo after an amazing Paul return episode 114 of Pokemon Master 8 tournament, where we got to know about all the matchups of Master 8s as well as some leaked footage of battle between them along with their some newly Pokemon which we didn't knew they had. Now, before starting the video, RIP to all the PokeTubers as well as all the fans who are thinking something like Ash vs Alan or old Pokemon returning for Master 8s, Gible evolving into Garchomp and many more things. So now I hope you all will keep that thing in mind, that do not keep your hopes high enough, because in anything can be happened now in Pokemon journeys, so we cannot predict anything. So don't keep your hopes high, just enjoy the moment, get entertained, and yes, that's all. Now, not gonna lie, well, these rumors really got me, and I also thought for a second that it might be true, but after the leaks of Ash vs Paul and especially after the preview of episode 114, I was sure at least that there will be a battle between Ash versus Steven and Cynthia battle, which we will talk in few minutes right now. Now let's dive into for real and understand all the details of the promo in detail. So, here in starting we see Leon give his best pose or signature pose, where we see all Master 8 trainers in background smiling on that. Again here we see the first battle of Master 8, which will be Leon versus Alan, not Ash versus Alan. Plot armor? No. Alright, so it was confirmed that Alan will battle Leon in a very fearsome battle with their own Charizards, where on one side Leon will be with his own Gigantamax Charizard representing as a world champion of Galar, and other side representing Kalos and Kalos League champion. I don't think that it would be best to say him a champion, because he haven't had any battle with Diantha and haven't defeated him, so he can't be a true champion. But yes, we can say Kalos League champion, not Kalos champion but Kalos League champion. Okay, so now in this whole preview we see two Pokemon of each trainer battling each other in order to confuse us again. But don't be confused, because I am damn sure that will be a 3v3 battle, and there is a very huge coincidence or something fishy right now that we see only 2 Pokemon of every trainer. Means their third Pokemon will be a mystery for us, but we already know few, unless until Pokemon Journey try to even leave that their own aces, because many people like Lance haven't used its own ace right now. It seems like the battle will be a round robin types, so maybe, just maybe, Ash and other trainers will all get a chance to battle each other. Now let's just hope that it will be the case, so that everyone will get satisfied. I'm damn sure we all are not happy with the matchups which we have got right now. So it will be a very awesome thing to at least give every trainer a chance to battle each other, either just like a trial battle also, but that will be a very great battle. But I don't think that will be happen, because at least we are sure that there will be a Ash versus Hop battle and the continuation of Ash versus Leon battle in episode number 115. So considering a 20-minute episode, I don't think that they will give a proper chance to everyone. But still, as I already said, we can't predict anything now in Pokemon journeys. So as I already discussed, so for first battle we see Leon's Gigantamax Rillaboom battling with Chestnut. Chestnut is the Pokemon of Alan, and as predicted, Mega Charizard X versus Gigantamax Charizard. Now on second battle we have Lance versus Diantha, the Kanto and Judo champion versus Kalos champions Diantha, not Alan. Here Lance Ace Dragonite battles Kalos Ace Aurorus, and then Diantha's signature Pokemon Gardevoir battles Lance Hydreigon. The third matchup is between Ares and Cynthia, where Cynthia's Milotic and Ares Haxorus battle each other, and then Ares Hexorus battle Cynthia's Mega Garchomp. Now this is quite shocking, and I think that the battle won't be like as we all are predicting, because same Pokemon is battling with Milotic as well as Cynthia's Mega Garchomp. What do you guys all think? That is this possible that Ares defeated Cynthia's Milotic as well and then battling Mega Garchomp? What the fuck? Okay, so on the fourth matchup is between, God, it feels good to say, Alola champion Ash and Hoenn champion Steven, where Ash Kangars battle Steven Urilde. I'm sorry for the pronunciation, but yes, let's understand that. And Pikachu battles Steven's Mega Metacross. And these are the matchups for the Master Race tournament. Now, this was a review video for the promo of Master 8. Now, if you want me to make a complete in detail video for Master 8, like what do I think will be the third Pokemon for each trainers and who will advance further, will it be Cynthia or will it be Lance in order to battle Ash? We all know that Ash and Leon has to be in the finals. So we know two people are confirmed, but now we cannot say anyone can be the winner or the, you can say, runner-up. Also, as you can see, it's written that after episode 115 we will get 2 episode delay. So in order to make more hype and marketing and all, so that's mean 2 week delays after episode 115 for episode 116. So that's a pretty long one, but we have to bear it for Leon versus Alon finale. Also, here are some posters for Ash versus Hop promotional battle for introduction of Hop in anime, just like Lisa with Serena. So do let me know your thoughts on the comment section. And also, I made an AMV for episode 114. Do check it out, it's in the comment section. And if you are interested in amazing stories which do not belong to the original anime but my own stories which I created separately, means another anime, their links are also in the description. Please do check it out. So see ya and see you till next time.